missed the first match, but I was able to clutch it out. Over there, please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's okay. Saw Doctor. Full health too. Oh, that's not good. Back in action. Alright. Stay the same side. Oh, I didn't want that. Oh, baby, clutched it out again. I know he's upset. That's literally how the first match went. I won by like that much.
Oh, man. I almost had a heart attack there.
This is hard because I don't have an anti-air. I mean, I hope most of my teams, don't have a real anti-air, like Guile, for example. I have Dr. Doom assist. I have this Colossus. It's not instant by any means. It doesn't have any invincibility. But yeah, it can hit stuff in the air, so I guess it can be an anti-air. But like, is it really?
The battle for survival begins.
Beat out everything I did? So I'm gonna play with Colossus. Playing with Colossus. Block the... That was smart. That's fine. Oh! Yo. Not the best trade, but still a good trade. We have all those fucking supers to burn. Tron's too slow.
You got that killer instinct. Get ready to kick butt. Yeah.
Get some of that too. Yeah, see, we both just jumping forward, pushing hard at once. Both of us. Both of us just gonna keep jumping forward, mashing hard punch. I love that button. What's my name? Fierce Punch. What button am I gonna jump forward pushing? Fierce Punch. Sure.
Select your hero. Select your assist type.
The battle for survival begins.
Reset the damage with the dial. Snuck under with the Dr. Doom. We're gonna unblock it. Yeah, you know what to do right there. I'll throw you. I'll throw you. Oh. Shut up. Shut up. Trying to do all that.
You got that killer.
Trying to do all that slick stuff. Think you Slick Rick the Ruler? I don't think so. You ain't no banger. You motherfuckers think you out here banging. No, you're just hiding behind that godless sis. That's all you doing. Ain't no banger. I bang motherfucking.com. That's what I do. Chitty chitty bang bang.
The battle for survival.
Fuck you thought this was. That hat. Bitch. Oh shit. Ain't even a real anchor. There ain't no way that's a real anchor, bitch. Whatever, I still got someone. Oh, you're mad. Oh, you're mad, brother. Oh, got me. Got him. Oh, you better knock it off. Fucking coppers over samurai. I'm taking the hit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, get your ass off me. Get your ass off of me. Damn it. Should've did something. Should've did something. I'm scared. Oh my god, that's some scurry shit. Come on, bird. I stooped down to your level. This supposed to be your shit. Colossus ain't got no mix-up potential.
Select your hero. Select your assist type.
The battle for survival begins.
Ooh, baby. Give her to me. Oh, damn, you end up on the other side? Get your ass off me. I know he doesn't like it when walking those speeds, bro. Oh, I try to throw his shit, but whatever. No. Oh, nice. Stay right there, please. Smack my bitch up. Boom. That's how fast that Ruby Heart died. He smacked my bitch up. Boom. Charlie's Angels. Full Throttle. Was that Full Throttle or number one? No, that was number one.
Select your assist type.
The battle for survival begins.
Let me come forward, bitch. Alright. Better there, please. Oh, my bad. Try to launch it. Yeah. Just jump backwards. Let me just jump backwards, because what are you going to do? You're too slow. Hey. I did that too. Launch that. Oh, dang it. Not worth it. Yeah. That's awesome. You thought. You thought. Oh shit. Oh no, I tried to just super with the gun right there. It wasn't fast enough. Hiya.
You got that killer instinct.
Select your hero. Select your quick type.
Get ready to keep engage.
Snap. Fuck. Body.
I just can't believe it. You're amazing.
Select your hero. Select your quick type.
Where's he at? Oh, there he is.
Select your quick type.
Who will survive? Engage.
Give me the throw. Thank you. Needed that. hoping he was going to flash kick into that. Come on. Oh. That's crazy. The fat hand slipped off the control. Oh yeah. That cap assist changes the dynamic a little bit. You can't just freely call Guile all day.
Heart attack there.
Bro, this controller don't knock it off. GG's, bird.